Currently, there is a strong information bias toward the technosphere. Most of the information reflects the interests of producers, traders, political or financial structures, and in general the interests of the technogenic system. The purpose of the technosphere is to drive a human being into a matrix cell, to erase his individuality. For this purpose, propaganda and the imposition of false goals are widely and shamelessly used. For example, a person must be not quite healthy, so that he does not have free energy, and stupid, so that he does not understand where he is. The goal of man, however, is to preserve his freedom, independence, uniqueness, awareness, energy, and health. Only those who dare to leave the general system will be able to retain all these qualities. We are all going to be unified, adjusted to the needs of the system, and this is not a fantasy. How can we avoid this unification? The first and most important step is to break the principle of society, to stop believing that if everyone thinks and does so, then it is right. Get out of the common system. Stop pacing after other people's surrogate success and go after your own. What's in it for you? One who steps out of the common ranks always has the advantage of looking from the outside where everyone else is of getting rid of the stereotypes of society. To learn to see and understand what others do not see and do not understand. Stop, finally, striving to be the first and become unique. Why do we need it? And here everyone decides for himself, whether you need it or not. If you don't have any special strengths or talents, then you have no other way than to step out of the ranks and allow yourself to be unique. In his 2012 book, Hacking the Technogenic System, Vadim Zeland predicted that looking at how quickly reality is changing towards universal unification, and how it is becoming easier and easier to manipulate the public consciousness, it will be quite interesting in 5 to 10 years. And, unfortunately, it really has become. But he also said that the most interesting will be those who have stepped out of the general system and observe everyone else. Remember, the position of observer is the most advantageous for you. Imagine coming to your job or study, and there's a collective dream. Everyone is striving to succeed, but acting as in a dream, at the level of some common algorithms, instincts. You, too, would like to succeed and stand out from the crowd. But how will you manage it if you are a common person, walking in the general structure, with the same consciousness and energy as everybody else? Now imagine another picture. Your consciousness is free and clear. Your energy is higher than that of others. You stopped thinking like everyone else, and you stopped doing like everyone else. You went out of your mind without leaving it. You pretended to be asleep, but you woke up. It is now quite clear to you that everyone around you is asleep and you are awake. Next comes the control of your waking dream. In this dream, you are the master and the ruler. And this is the level of transcreation that gives you the advantage. As Vadim Zeland says, you kind of pretend to be a normal psycho, but you don't swallow pills. Sleeping on a farm, pretending to be in the herd like everyone else, but feeding in the wild, not what's shoved under your nose.